Hi, in this tutorial let's see how to uninstall IBM Websphere MQ from your Ubuntu machine. Uh, for this, let me log into the MQM user and then I will log into the user. Now once I am inside the user, I will go to cd opt MQM bin. Now I need to delete any queue managers that are there and the queue listeners. For that I will paste it here. I can see that this queue manager, ESP queue manager is running, so I need this command will show the status of all the queue managers. So let me list end this queue manager, and then I need to end these listeners that might be listening in the queue manager, so that the queue manager doesn't have a listener. So I will check again if there are any queue managers running. So the ESP queue manager is has been ended normally, so I will log out of this user, and then to uninstall this I need to check all the MQ series that are in my machine. So I can see all these MQ series RPMs have been installed in my machine. To uninstall this I can do this one by I can do this one by one. I can uninstall these one by one in this order. I can first uninstall this, and then I can uninstall this and so on, but I will uninstall all at once. For this we can use this command. It will uninstall all the MQ series at once. It will grab them and it will execute this command on all of the result. So it will uninstall all this at once. So let me do that. So that will uninstall it all. Now you can grab and see whether there are any MQ series. So it all has been uninstalled. So I will have some data in these folders, so let me delete them also. I will delete this folder also. So and then we can delete our user MQM. So now that we have uninstalled IBM MQ, this is an optional step. You can uninstall the delete the user also. So we have removed the user. The user group has no more members, so that will also be deleted. And we have seen how to uninstall Ubuntu from our how to uninstall IBM MQ from our Ubuntu machine. Thank you for watching.